Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create your own password generator application using Python. So if you are interested, then continue watching this video. For creating password generator application, you need to install three Python libraries, that is tkintel, paperclip, random. So before starting the actual coding, let's first understand some theory. Here I'm using TK Intel module for creating an application window and PyPerClip module for copying the generated password. And remember that these two modules are not inbuilt modules, so we need to install it with the help of pip install command. And the third module that I'm using is the random to generate random password. So let's go and do the coding. Here I am importing TK Intel, Paperclip and random modules. Then I am initializing the tkintel, that is write to code equal to tkintel. Then I am setting the geometry of my screen and giving the title of my project. Then I am declaring a variable of string tag, and this variable will be used to store the password generated. After that, I am declaring another variable of integer type which will be used to store the length of the password entered by the user. Then I am setting the length of the password to 0 initially. After that, I am using a function to generate the password. Here inside the function, I am storing the key in a list which will be used to generate the password. Then I am declaring the empty string, and after that I am using for loop to generate the random password of the length entered by the user. For setting the password to the entry widget, I am using password.setPassword. Then I am defining another function to copy the password to the clipboard, as you can see. Then I am creating the text label widget. After that, I am creating an entry widget to take password length entered by the user. This button is used to call the generate function entry widget to show the generated password. And this button is used to call the copy to click button function. Then I am calling the main function. Main function is an infinite loop used to run the application when it is in ready state. So let's go and run this project. Here enter password length. After that, it will generate the password as per the length of the input. You can enter any length of the password and it will generate as per that. Even you can copy the password that is generated by this application. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.